Just want to give you guys a closer look. How many things can fit in here? Unbelievable. I've had this for many years. Storage in the garage, dorm rooms, bedrooms, clothes. It's really sturdy. It's about 27 pounds, but it's durable. I have a few of them in my house. And it's just a great organization unit, especially for a bedroom or a garage. You can put all your things in nice and neatly. This is it from the side, and you can clean it easily with a wet cloth. I absolutely love this Sterilite 4-door compartment. So first of all, the drawers close really easily, open really easily. I'll show you guys inside. The drawers are very, very deep, and it's plastic, but it's sturdy. You could use them for clothing. You could use it for